the leader of the Sunnis, the top rank Mufassir, the elite Muhaddis, the teacher of the jurists, the Qutb among the awliya, the opener of secrets, the sun among the stars, the genius Muhakkik, the Hafiz of the Quran, the Mufti of Sharia, the Arif of Haqiqah, the pride of Bareilly, the scholar of the century, Ala Hazrat, Azimul Martabat, Rafi'ul Darajat, Kushta-e Ishq o Mohabbat, Hami-e Sunnat, Mahi-e Bid'at, Qati-e Najdiyat o Rafiziyat o Tafziliyat o Nazm o Khuruj, Malhaz-e Andar-e Nubuwat, Imam-e Ahl-e Sunnat Sayyidi Shah Imam Ahmad Raza Khan.